What's up, everybody? It is our final day here in the islands and we're back on the beautiful Saracen Bay. We left Empire Bay this morning and then tomorrow we're headed back to the mainland.
So far we have explored Empire Bay, Saracen Bay, and yesterday we went to Koh Rong Island where we saw the main village by Police Beach, and we also walked around to Long Beach and Soksan Village. So kind of our feel for how all these places were different. The main part on Koh Rong Island by Police Beach is filled with party hostels, lots of bars. It's definitely more of like a party scene. Empire Bay was a small little hippie village. I think there's a lot of fishing that goes on there as well. It's only one strip of beach, very small. And then where we are today in Saracen Bay, seems a little fancier. There's more families on vacation. It's really gorgeous beaches, some more upscale bungalows and resorts.
So right now we're walking through the island. It's about a 20-minute walk and doing some stuff that we didn't get a chance to do the other day. So we're headed to Lazy Beach. We'll show you that, and then another like sunset beach. So we'll probably go there a little bit later around sunset. And we clearly didn't learn our lesson yesterday when we walked what was supposed to be a 45-minute walk, but it turned out to be an hour-and-a-half walk on Koh Rong, and we're walking again. So hopefully it's 20 minutes like they say.
Well, at least we can see other people are doing this walk too.
Yeah, there's some other people up there. You get to see the nice greenery. What do you think about this walk to Lazy Beach?
This is not for lazy people, that's for sure.
Pretty much a trek all the way here.
It's actually not that bad. It's just hot out.
It's pretty scenic though. Beautiful nature.
It's actually quite an easy walk. Like, you don't need to wear hiking shoes or anything.
No. You could do it in flip-flops. Emma's got her rugged Tevas on. This is not sponsored by Teva.
Could be though.
Hit us up.
Yeah.
We have finally arrived at Lazy Beach. Nice little beachfront bungalows right there. It's like walking into paradise. There you can see the beachfront bungalows that we were just walking behind. So when you think of Cambodia, you think of the ancient temples of Angkor Wat, the capital of Phnom Penh, or the tragedy of the Khmer Rouge that happened in the 70s. But like most people, you rarely think of the islands and tropical paradise, and that hardly comes to mind when you think of Cambodia. But it's crazy, up until 2 weeks ago we had no idea that this type of island paradise existed just off the coast of Sihanoukville.
Yeah, with a little bit of research, we added in Kampot and Koh Rong Sanloem to our itinerary, when originally we had only planned to go to Phnom Penh and Siem Reap. So what a pleasant surprise. So like many islands, the prices are a little bit more expensive than the mainland, just because of bringing the products in and everything like that. But it's really not too much more. So for example, like a draft beer in Phnom Penh was around 50 to 60 cents US dollar, and here it's around $1. And like a main meal of Khmer food, which is like fried rice, fried noodles, or curry, is still going to be around like $4 or $5, whereas in Phnom Penh it might have been like $3 or $4. So really not that much more, and definitely still reasonable.
Alright, so we're leaving Lazy Beach right now. Headed over to the Sunset Beach. Gonna go catch the sunset there. It's about 4:30, so I think we have about 1 hour until the sunset. What's up, boy? What are you doing? Where's your friend at? Looks like it's a slight hike to get to this beach, but I'm sure it'll be worth it. We have just about arrived to Sunset Beach after a hardcore trek through the jungle. Oh, there's a yoga class going on over there. Sunset yoga. So this is Sunset Beach. A little windy over here. What do you say?
This is going to be nice at sunset.
We're gonna walk down a little bit. Yeah. So this is all today's video consists of, is watching us wander around these amazing beaches.
Walk around the beaches. It feels like that's almost all we've done the past few days.
Yeah. So hopefully these videos were entertaining enough if you've never seen the islands of anywhere, especially in Cambodia.
Maybe this will inspire your next vacation.
Yeah, hopefully. It's not that expensive, it's beautiful, it's up and coming. So maybe in like 4 or 5 years, once all the development is done, it's only gonna get more expensive from here, so get in while you can. This place up here is called Robinson Bungalow. You can see they have like yurts right on the waterfront. Bungalow with like a restaurant up there. Overlooks the water where you can just hang out. Built up into the jungle. Bar downstairs. Get a nice view of the sunset every single night from your tent. You can see some that are open right now. People probably just hanging out in there.
What an awesome sunset we just saw at Sunset Beach. We had an awesome time today exploring around Sarasin Bay on Koh Rong Sanloem. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Not Another Travel Vlog.
So that does it for our island exploration here on Koh Rong Sanloem in Cambodia. Next, we're taking a 12-hour bus ride tomorrow to the final destination of Cambodia. And drum roll please, that's going to be Siem Reap, and we're spending about 4 days there, so a lot of cool stuff planned for the last few days of Cambodia.